Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you the basic stitches that is used in crochet. It's the symbol of simple crochet chain with abbreviation. Next the single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, treble or triple crochet. I will use 3mm crochet hook. This is how I hold the yarn over through the pinky finger and index finger and make a loop like this. Insert the hook, pull yarn over and pull through the loop and make a knot. Pull the long tail and start making chains. You can also hold the hook like this with the index finger and the thumb. So this is the simple chain of crochet, also known as a foundation row for crochet projects. Now let's start with the second one, the single crochet. Again, use the pinky finger and the index finger to make a slip knot. First of all, make a loop, enter the hook, yarn over and pull through that loop. Now pull the one end and the other end as well and make the chain or a foundation row for a single crochet. This is our foundation chain. Now we will do single crochet in the first chain, which is next to the working loop. Enter the hook into the first chain like this, yarn over and pull through. Now again yarn over and pull through both. Enter the hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through just the foundation chain, and then you have two loops and then pull over through the both loops. This is how single crochet looks like. Enter the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through just the foundation chain and pull through both loops. You must have two loops each time in the hook before pulling through. Now practice with me to the end of the row. This is how single crochet looks like. Now we will do the next stage, which is half double crochet. You should know the symbol and the abbreviation of the crochet. It really helps you in doing large projects. Again, start with making a slip knot and make a chain or a foundation row for half double crochet. Our foundation chain has been completed. Now remember that we will work in the third chain. We will leave the first two chains, but we will enter our hook into the third chain, yarn over and pull through foundation chain. Now we have 3 loops and pull through all of them. For half double crochet, you always have to yarn over before entering the hook into the foundation chain. Yarn over, enter the hook into the foundation chain, again yarn over. Now we have 3 loops and then we pull through all of them. It's the general rule for the half double crochet that you have to yarn over before entering the hook into the foundation chain. Then you must have 3 loops in the hook and then you have to pull through all of them at once. One general tip for all these stitches: you must remember that in the single crochet we just work in the first chain of the foundation row. We didn't leave any chain in the start. We have a working loop and then the first chain. We work in the first chain. But in the half double crochet, you must have to leave the first two chains and then work and then start your work in the third chain of the foundation row. And those who are interested in doing a large crochet project, you must know the symbols as well. This is how half double crochet looks like. Next is double crochet. Yarn over through the pinky finger, index finger, and then make a loop like this. Enter the hook now and make a knot. It's a simple knot. You can make it easily. Now make a foundation row or a simple crochet chain. So this is the foundation chain, and now remember that for double crochet you have to leave first 3 chains, yarn over and enter into the 4th chain, yarn over again and pull through the foundation chain, and now pull through just the first 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over and enter the hook into the next chain, again yarn over, pull through the foundation chain. Now you have 3 loops in the hook. You have to yarn over and pull through just the first 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops, and repeat the same steps. But remember, in the half double crochet we also had the 3 loops in the hook and we pull all 3 loops at once. But the double crochet is different, that we have 3 loops, but we have pull these loops in 2 sections, like first through the 2 loops and then again to the 2 loops until we have 1 loop in the hook. And the next main difference between the double crochet and the half double crochet was in the beginning. In the half double crochet we have to leave first 2 chain in the first 2 chains of the foundation row and start working from the 3rd chain of the foundation row. But in the double crochet you have to leave the 3 chains of the foundation row and start working from the 4th chain of the foundation row. That's the second difference. So you must know to differentiate between the half double crochet and double crochet. This is how double crochet looks like. Our last stitch is treble or treble crochet. Again make a slip knot like this. This is another method of making a slip knot. It's the easiest method I know so far. Again make the chain or a foundation row for a triple crochet. For triple crochet you have to yarn over twice or the hook, and you must have to leave first 4 chains of the foundation row, enter the hook into the 5th chain of the foundation row, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 4 loops, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. Now yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Repeat exactly the same steps for the upcoming chains. As shown in the diagram, the symbol has 3 loops one the working loop and other two loops. The total are 3 loops and the hook, and now yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops and second 2 loops and the third 2 loops. You must know all the symbols of the basic crochet stitches. It's really important for doing large projects or even a small project. Or if you know the symbol, you can read the pattern, so you can make it very easily without any help. I have finished the first row of the triple crochet. This is how it looks like. If you compare it with a single, half double or double crochet, you'll notice the difference. These are all the basic stitches, and if you know this, you will be able to do almost 90% of crochet projects. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel and let me know in the comment section below what you think of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.